Boy, they be looking kind of goddamn fat, boy. Goddamn, they be just $5.99. Let's that so you know I had to get a goddamn meal on their ass. But shit, man, I don't even know how to open these goddamn beef. These motherfuckers fat, boy. They ain't got a fat ass. That bitch smell delicious. Ooh. So much glaze for you, just like. Oh! Why can't they pour the goddamn wrapper down? They be fat, then motherfucker, they be sticky. Make y'all boy get a good look at that hole. Ooh. Ooh. Juicy. I don't know how to bite the hole, nobody do the hole from the side. I got down like this. Oh, I can't even imagine tasting it big. Well, let me hurry up and eat that hole. That be greasy, but sure. No, that be kind of juicy on the inside. Can't really taste the donut, but shit, that be goddamn. But that was good as fuck, boy, goddamn.